Okay, Dashers, we are at Buc-ee's, and Zeus is along for the ride. So we have officially started our way up to North Dakota for the Beet Harvest. We've done the packing, everything else, and so we are on the way. This is day one, and I'll take you throughout the whole entire experience so you guys will know. Stay tuned. It is day two. It is a drive day, and Zeus, of course, taking a nap there, is the co-pilot, and he's just loving life that we're back in the van. We stayed at Love's Hotel last night, and we are headed up to Drayton. I'm not gonna do my normal 13-14 hour drive that I normally do. I'm in no rush to get there, so if there's anything interesting, hey, leave it down in the comments for us to check out, because we are on the way up. I'm going to take it easy and maybe make it to Omaha, somewhere around there. I don't know. But hey, started day two. Let's get it. All right, Dashers. So since I've got some time to actually, I don't have to rush to get up to Drayton, I have decided to stop at Walmart to get an oil change. And believe me, they're the cheapest one around. It's only going to cost me like $50 some, and with tax and everything else. So around $60-$70. Normally it'd be like $100 and some odd over at the dealership. So hey, at Walmart, I'm going to do some grocery shopping and stock up on some food for the trip, as well as when I get up to Drayton, since I'm in Oklahoma City. So yay! I am trying to outrun this storm. Maybe I can make it. It's looking pretty scary. Ooh, I made it past. Dashers, we have made it to our campsite, so we are going to unpack today. Zeus and I are finished with the drive. We go to orientation tomorrow, And I'm kind of looking forward to it to get this start going, but we are safe, we are sound, and yeah, now the adventure begins. So stay tuned for more updates here at the Beet Harvest so you can see exactly what goes on. I have orientation tomorrow, and then I still don't know what shift I'm working or anything else, so we'll take it from there. So as always, if you like what you saw, please subscribe. More updates are coming. And as always, stop dreaming it and start living it. Bye!